Patient name is Nasreen Begum. Uh, my name is Mr.Shaberuddin. I am her son. So we have readmit. We are from Shamshabd. We go to before coming here. We went to another hospital. We find best solution here and treatment. To from starting from IMS to doctor, they are very friendly nature and other facilities compared to other hospitals are excellent as what we have experienced before. Doctors, nurses, and nurses are very cooperative, and doctors are good. They understand actually what we need as per patient condition, and price is also affordable. So we feel more comfortable than other hospitals.